So rather than change my colour, since I've still got quite a lot of this cotton left that I can use, I'm going to go on to my next letter, which is using this navy colour. And the reason I want to show you this one is because it has got curves and it's also got a smaller section in the middle. So that's going to change the way that you do your stitching. So you would stitch up the straight edge as normal, but when you are going around a curve, you're going to need slightly smaller stitches to get that curved shape. So I'm going to start with my corner of the bee and taking similar size stitches as to my previous letter. The consistency and the size will make your work a lot neater and look better. So I've got some just straight stitches across the top of this bee. Now you can see that it's starting to curve. Now if I was going to do my normal length of stitch, I would probably come out about here. But I want to put a bit more of a gentle curve in, so I'm going to take it a little bit shorter. We don't want straight long stitches that are going to make it look quite geometric. We want to keep that curve. So I'm going to do smaller stitches on this edge. It's all about taking it slowly and enjoying the process. So now that I can see that I have used probably 1, 2, 3, 4 curved stitches, and then I've got my 3 kind of straighter ones. So I'm going to try and replicate that on the bottom of this bee as well. So trying to mirror what I've done above the top section below. Again, if you find that one of your stitches is not quite where you want, then you can just unthread your needle, take the eye of your needle underneath the stitch and remove it. Don't get too hung up if it's not perfect. It is a handmade item and it's about enjoying the process rather than worrying about the end product. Yes, you want something lovely to hang on your wall, of course, but the sense of achievement you'll get from completing it will be amazing anyway. So I'm coming to the end of my curved sections. I'll just finish off the straight section up the side, trying to get the same kind of size stitches as these ones, so about 6 stitches. And then I will show you how to do the inside section. Okay, so with the inside section that you're going to have for your B's and your R shapes, there is a straight stitch down the one side and then the top and the bottom, and then we have a small curve again. So when I say straight stitch, I do mean that it's back stitch, but it is straight rather than on a curve. So I've done my one there, and I'm going to go across the bottom here on this straight side, and then we have a curve. Now this is really quite small, so I'm going to do quite small stitches to try and maintain that curve shape. Probably fitting 2 maybe. Yep, I'm happy with that. And then mirroring the bottom, I'm going to do 1 stitch across the top. Just like that. So continue with your letters, changing your thread colours to match the stitch guide in your instruction booklet, and then I will show you how to stitch our chain stitch across the bottom.